something had to change. Something has to change, and something will change. And that will come with your help. Help that I'm not entitled to, but hopefully it will be earned. For those who don't know, new to the channel, I'm My Manga Apple, the creator, writer, and illustrator of Apple Black, published and serialized in Saturday AM, where I'm also co-founder. Books published worldwide, and now also free to read on webtoon in all colorful blue. But I have an update where I need your help to help this channel, as well as just social media content. I'm not one to complain too much, about views being down or whatever being. It's like sometimes I kind of take a step back and just ask myself, have I really given it my all? Have I really pulled every lever? And I don't think I have. And that's what I am going to attempt to do. Views have been kind of iffy. The ratio of people who watch the videos versus subscribe to the channel has always been iffy. But at the same time, my consistency on the channel has been iffy. For reasons that make sense, but still. I believe I've built something strong over the years. I've built this community, you guys, the connections we have. Some of you actually see me in real life, and it's so cool to see that I've inspired people to do whatever you guys do. Some of you create your own stuff, or you aspire to. And the fact that you guys say that I've contributed to that in any way means a lot to me. I don't want what we have to just wither without really giving it a shot. No wasted potential here on YouTube or any of the other social media. I've always been off and on because I have to go make manga. Doing manga and doing social media stuff at the same time, it can be done. But with the amount of effort I put into the actual creation of manga pages and just art in general, it really takes away. Then you add in the little side things I do for consulting or editing for other companies, art directing, little commissions here and there. It really takes me away, but at the same time I ask myself, can I make it work? And I think the answer is yes. It's tough to juggle all of it. It's kind of wild. I even get questions of how I've even done it so far up to this point. I started making manga back in college. The first chapter of Apple Black, 90% of it was drawn in my apartment in college. Even when I have to move and then move all my equipment, some of it will be missing. I'll have to draw in a kitchen. The real OG subscribers remember when I was making manga in my kitchen. And also remember we're in college and you don't want to fail. So I'm pulled in all kinds of directions. I had my master's in 2018 and I still did another manga, Bakasi, along with Apple Black. But all of these were the reasons why I had that early version of Apple Black Volume 1, Volume 2, and then that half chapter of Bakasi, and I just kind of stayed there for a long time figuring stuff out. A lot of people hitting me up, where's Volume 3? Where's Volume 3? Which eventually, obviously, we figured it out. And that's because we got the book deal. All of this is happening while I'm also helping to build Saturday AM. Started late 2013 to become this Shonen Jump-esque thing in the West. But with even more diverse ideas for everybody, by everybody, characters, worlds, all of that. When we got the distribution deal, then I really had to sit down with those deadlines and figure stuff out. Kind of like where I'm at right now with this channel. And then the plan was to build a system with manga assistance as best as I could. Because it's not like the budgets was crazy. This isn't Shonen Jump. I don't have that kind of funding or support or like an editor who's gonna I have none of that. We're figuring it out on our own. And I knew I had to hit those deadlines. And then Volume 3 was real. It had to happen. The first time I was working with manga assistants, I didn't 100% figure it out, crack the code, but it was a start and it got better over time. So then when Volume 4 and 5 came, it was much easier to knock them out, even though I still had those issues because I'm juggling a lot of things at once. But at the very least, now I'm able to release volumes much easier. I even plan to do Volume 6 and maybe 7 at the same time next year. But how am I going to be able to do all of this stuff and still run this channel in a way that it should be run? Still get comments from you guys like, yo, where you at? I need a video, can you help me with this? And I want to be able to contribute to this community that I've built and then the larger art community as a whole. And I think we've taken a step back. But we made it work with the books. And we're able to create 5 volumes, 6 including the light novel. All of this is because we figured it out. We built a team. And, I just couldn't do everything myself. Japanese creators don't do it all themselves. That's why you look at the art of the characters and then the art of the background, and you can tell it's a slightly different style. And then you have editors. Everybody's working in teams. You have to figure that out. And so for YouTube and social media as a whole, I'm going to see if I can build that, but for video. Now, even though the way I've handled it so far has lacked some structure, we've still been able to pull some things off on the channel, as well as with the books, and even Saturday AM books overall. You guys already know about the various manga awards that we've won, the webtoon deal that we've struck. So Apple Black should be available for you to read on webtoon in color, vertical scroll format, all of that today. So support there, super liking there, liking the episodes, all of that matters on webtoon as well. Mobile games, merch, even was a model for a day. That was cool. The toys, fighting game, more details in the Steam page coming soon. Like, that's ridiculously cool. And that anime, you just wait. But this channel and just the way I've handled social media overall needs some work. Like, I've had some highs, and then I've had some ridiculously highs. Like, I didn't expect some of the things that have happened to happen. But then I've had some mids and I've had some lows. It's been up and down, but at the same time, I have nobody to look to but myself, given that I don't know if I've really given it my all. I want to have the W's we get on this channel on a more consistent basis. And that will start with more consistency from me, and then hopefully earning the support from you guys. Revitalizing the channel in every way I know how, and I've been doing some research just to see, because YouTube, the algorithm, all that, it keeps changing. So finding that sweet spot of creating what you want to create, creating what you guys want to see, creating something fun, relevant, educational, stuff that you can only get here, unique to my voice, all of that. I want to do that, revitalize the channel, consistency with quality. I've already kind of started, but I need those who really support me and this channel and Apple Black and Saturday AM. I really need y'all to have my back. And again, I will do my part to make sure it's earned. Clicking the thumbnails, sharing, liking, actually being subscribed, asking questions you want to ask, or just engaging in the comments. Hitting the bell so you stay notified when I upload stuff. Letting the algorithm gods know that y'all really rock with what I'm doing. Watching the video, at least most of it. Signing up for the Patreon, even if it's just free to start. And just showing love however you can. Shout out to those who've already gotten my books and plan to get more, whether it's mine or other Saturday AM series. I'm going to need all that support and more, and luck. Because you always need a little bit of luck. Or a lot. We were one of the first channels to kind of document the good and the bad of trying to break it into the industry as a comic creator, manga creator, all of that. And we succeeded in many ways. And continue to do so. I don't want to lose that, especially knowing some of the cool stuff that is still coming. I think this channel, even our Saturday AM channel, needs to be at the forefront, and so we need to make more. We need to do more as well. I want to give it my all, give it a lot of focus to continue to build on what I've already built over the years. Like, thanks to you guys, we have 500,000 subscribers on the channel. And I think we can get everyone active again. This time, I don't want a start-stop situation. Even if some gigantic project drops on my lap, this channel will still be top priority. I want to go on a generational run on this channel like we've never seen before. The channel's kind of suffered from start and stop stuff, side projects. Getting hacked did not help. We actually lost a lot of subscribers from that. Shout out to those who kept rocking with the channel until we got it back. I don't know if I've ever given this channel my I've given a lot to this channel, but I don't know if I've ever given my super all to it, using all my brain power. And if I have, it's not for a super extended period of time. Now I want to put in all the hard work to help facilitate growth, engagement, fun, something that you guys would look forward to. I have to do it in a way where I'm able to pay the help that I currently have, not just the manga assistants, but the potential video assistants. I already have a couple video editors helping me with stuff. Shout out to them. Kind of still looking for more. Again, I know that I'm not entitled to anyone's support. This is kind of entertainment. I understand, and I'm very grateful for the fact that when you guys say buy one of my volumes, that's money you could have spent elsewhere to your families, yourself, or whatever the case may be. But you chose this, or you chose a Saturday AM series. That doesn't go unnoticed, and I greatly appreciate the support that I already have and the support that I've gotten so far. Some of y'all still rock and do all the stuff that I'm mentioning right now. All the tens of thousands of times someone bought my book instead of that coffee, or instead of saving up for that favorite thing or that PlayStation game or the shoes or whatever. Thank you. And in return, I hope that the books were enjoyable and it was money well spent, as a lot of the reviews suggest. You're not just like buying it just to support me or because you like this channel, but you're actually buying it and continuing to buy sequential volumes because you're enjoying it. And that will hopefully translate into wanting to see what the webtoon version of Apple Black has to offer. Don't miss that. Again, go like that, leave comments on that, all of that. I think the team and I cooked there as well. I've met some of you guys in real life. There was a time somebody recognized me with the mask on during the, the mask time, which shocked me. Or another time where I was talking to somebody and let's just say they came in recognizing me and it was kind of a dub for me. If you get it, you get it. But meeting you guys in real life, meeting you guys at cons, I was at Anime NYC not too long ago. Some of y'all who remember me from the first Anime NYC and had the old versions of the books, which it's anybody who has the old versions of the books, then I just know you're an OG supporter. You've been there from jump. So I sign your books extra. I try to even throw in a sketch or something in there just to show how much appreciation. Because the current books are such an upgrade that y'all were still supporting me regardless. Someone at the con this year bought all the Apple Black books and brought the old ones for me to sign. Like, stuff like that is wild. I drew this stuff in my apartment with no idea what was going to happen, and we're here. I want to do my part to earn it. Even this revamped Patreon has one-on-one mentorship that's a little bit more detailed, early access to a bunch of stuff, voting on some video ideas, being able to read Apple Black on the Patreon, as well as my old terrible one-shots that are hard to find, and what I think of them, the original music. The Patreon is pretty dope, so check that out too. I will continue to cook on Apple Black. Like I said, I'll be working on volume 6 and 7, trying to make magic happen next year. Maybe even live stream a lot of it without any spoilers, and bring back the Cowboy series that we were already working on the live streams, where you get to see me make that manga, that one shot, from super scratch. That will be coming back. Literally coming up with the idea of the story, research, all of that will be mostly on camera, and there's already some footage that you guys can go check out. Like, just overall, more videos, more shorts, more live streams, more posts, more fun, engaging videos, more tutorial-y videos, more videos about Apple Black and the world of Apple Black, all the stuff that we did when we first started the channel. I'm going to be bringing all of that back. I want to get back to that fun time. And I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, so you're prepared. We're going to try and recreate the successes of the manga assistants with video, engaging stuff, and I want to make it easy for you guys to engage and participate in organic ways. All of this will also bring us closer to that anime. And trust me, talks are already underway. I can't say stuff, but I could say stuff. Let's build this Whyt house. See what I did there? Not that other White House, this White House. Don't get distracted. So for those who want to participate and want to really see us win, let's start here. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you stay notified each time I upload absolutely anything, turn on all notifications. Links to everything you could possibly need will be in the description. Questions for me, I will happily answer them in the comments below. Watch more videos back to back. Let YouTube know. It's Whyt Manga.